Starting with the solution being replaced. This is a CTS turbo high flow cat. Has stock bolt pattern for KO3 or KO4 hybrid. 200 cell cat converter element close to the turbo. Gets to temperature reasonably fast. Creates a little bit of back pressure, of course. Short 3-inch section, then turns into 2.5 inch for my Miltech cat back. And here's the new guy going on. This is from BSR. It's full 3-inch. The finishing is pretty rough. Not really impressed with that. It is what it is. There you see it, yeah. It has two front O2 sensor bungs. My plan is to cap one. It comes with the caps, it comes with gaskets, and comes with nuts. It also comes with an extended O2 cable, I see right there. The reason for that, of course, is that the cat converter element, still 200 cell, it's moved much further back. So we got a longer 3-inch section, stock mount point, and then the element 200 cell again, and then the rear sensor bung. The idea here, of course, being that by moving the cat converter further back, we reduce back pressure and we get faster spool. Okay, this is shot about a month later. The new downpipe from BSR installed. You see the cap on the first bung there. And let's continue this from the bottom. Here we go, stock mount point. And if you look close now, you see I've actually scratched the downpipe. This is because it protrudes a bit and my car is lowered. And then you see the white pipe section, which is the Miltech catback. Let's finish this with a cold start.